Hello friends, and welcome to day 5 of the Let's Get Blitzin' Cocktail Advent Calendar. Today is the first sober Sunday of this year's calendar, and I am delighted to be working yet again with Søbrii. Søbrii, again, a non-alcoholic distilled spirits company from Stratford, Ontario. They have the Zero Gin, which I introduced you to last year with the Blackberry Christmas recipe, which I will link below so you can check that out. It is a version of a non-alcoholic bramble made with Zero Gin. And today I am mixing with their new product, which was just released in October, Søbrii Zero Tequila, as we make St. Nick's Shandy. This is a very zippy, very delicious winter shandy that involves our Søbrii Zero Tequila, our lime clementine cordial, which may be my favorite all-time syrup recipe that I have ever developed. It is just that good. It is packed with flavor, cracked cardamom, fresh ginger, Thai chilies for a nice bit of heat, which really complements the flavor notes from the Zero Tequila. So this is an agave-forward, non-alcoholic spirit with notes of jalapeno, spicy black pepper, coriander, and Canadian ginseng. So it has lots on the palate. That agave is the same ingredient that is used as the base for all tequilas. So agave has a very distinct vegetal flavor, which gives tequila and mezcal its complexity, and that is what's going into our Zero Tequila. And unlike some other non-alcoholic spirit brands, Søbrii is actually distilled. It is not just flavored after the fact. It goes through an entire distillation process, which is what gives the Zero Tequila its fantastic agave-forward flavor profile, and the Zero Gin its fantastic juniper-forward flavor profile. So we're building this one in glass, super simple. We're doing a double rocks glass. You also need your non-alcoholic beer and a lemon. I am using Partake's Pale. And let's go ahead and get started, why don't we? We are doing 2 ounces of our Søbrii Zero Tequila into our rocks glass. Søbrii actually means sober in Latin. And aside from being from Stratford, Ontario, it was developed in conjunction with the Niagara College Research and Innovation Division. So pretty cool, supporting local. A great way to introduce yourself or your friends or those in your life who choose not to imbibe to a fantastic high quality zero proof spirit in Søbrii. 1 full ounce of the lime clementine cordial. I really want citrus plays so well with agave, and so I really want to kind of highlight that and lean into the spicy characteristic of the Zero Tequila. You can order directly from their website, Søbrii.ca. It is also carried locally at Chef's Paradise. If you're looking to pick up a bottle, just 1/3 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. There we go. And then we will just give this a little stir, because the cordial should be quite thick. You should have simmered it down so it's a nice rich texture, mouthfeel. Then we're gonna add 1 large ice cube and top it off with our non-alcoholic beer. And I'm gonna need to grab my nutmeg for the garnish. A little spicy notes on the garnish. Here's my microplane. Let's see if I can get my hands on my nutmeg. There we go. It's always something, isn't there? You know, it's about participation, not perfection, as always, my friends. So we've got our nutmeg out, which is gonna be coming in handy because I'm gonna need to make a bit more of my nutmeg syrup. Drop that in there, and we're gonna top it off with about 3 to 4 ounces of our non-alcoholic beer. It's bright and flavorful. Perfect to brighten up a dreary day, like what, a dreary? Dreary, that's not a word. Dreary. New word, stop trying to make dreary happen, Yvonne. And then we're gonna just garnish with a bit of freshly grated nutmeg. Just for a little bit of an interesting nose flavor. Bring in the Christmassy goodness, holiday season spices. Cheers, St. Nick's Shandy. Yum! It's so good, I love it. Really quite good. Well done, me. Pat on the back. That is yummy. Really good. and guilt-free. 0 sugar, 0 calories, 0 hangover. And I think that the art of hospitality, especially at this time of year, is all about making sure that every single one of your guests, whether they're choosing to consume alcohol or not, feel special. Treat them to the art of a well-crafted cocktail. Don't make it feel like an afterthought. Give some consideration. Ask your guests beforehand if they're driving, if they're not drinking. Pick up some fantastic Ontario-made non-alcoholic spirits, such as Søbrii, 0 gin and 0 tequila, to make sure your party is well-stocked. So there you go, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 6 of the Let's Get Blitzin' Cocktail Advent Calendar. Thank you for joining me.